What's up guys, hello and welcome to Keto Life. I'm Gilad and I've lost 70 pounds since starting keto. Today I want to share with you the perfect fat bomb. Let's make chocolate chip cookies. For this recipe we're gonna need 3.5 ounces of softened butter, 3.5 ounces of golden monk fruit, 1 large egg, 6.5 ounces of almond flour, half a teaspoon of xanthan gum, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, few drops of vanilla extract, and 3.5 ounces of dark chocolate chips. In a large mixing bowl, whip together the butter and the golden monk fruit. Then add the egg and keep whipping. Now add the almond flour, baking powder, xanthan gum, salt and the vanilla extract. Combine them all until it's blended, but don't overmix it. Add the chocolate chips to the mixture and mix. Place the cookie dough in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes and it's time to heat the oven. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and roll the dough into 12 balls. Bake the cookies for 12 minutes or until the edges are golden. It's important to let the cookies fully cool on the baking tray before you pick them up. That's it guys, thanks for watching, click on the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.